I'd find you in the tree. I knew I'd find you in the tree. Hold on, darling. Come on, Charlie. It's Charlie Chops. Charlie! Are you coming down? Don't you poop on me, Charlie. Don't you poop on me. Hello, fella. Oh, hello, Charlie Chops. Hang on, turn around. I'll feed you from the other hand. That's it, fella. There we are. Hello, Charlie. I know your secret hiding place. I know your secret hiding place, my little treasure. Your feet are nice and warm. I think Lynn's given you some food, hasn't she? This is the beautiful Charlie Chops. Let's get some of those out of that hand. What are you looking at? Are you looking at the magpies? Gorgeous boy. We know he's female. I call him a gorgeous boy because he's been a boy. We named him Charlie and a boy to start with. But we think he's a female because he's been courted by another pigeon. But I still could call him Charlie boy. He doesn't mind. Maybe it's a tomboy. Maybe it's a tomboy. He doesn't mind. Should we get some more out for you? There, you've had a nice feed now. You've had a nice little feed, Charlie. And you can go back up to the tree from your viewing point. Oh, it's windy, isn't it, Charlie? I know I say his name a lot, and people on social media say, is his name Charlie by any chance? But by repeating his name, he knows his name. Give him a little stroke. He's had enough. Back up to his little point up there. See you later, Charlie. Love you, little fella.